In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. We spend countless hours to ensure that we deliver the absolute best customer service out there. So when we receive a 5-star review like this one, we know we are succeeding in our goal. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through the doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone is raving about.